I would be the seniors, maybe some of you will be millennials. This is the thing right now. पर मुझे पता है एक गाने की कैसेट के लिए कितनी मेहनत करनी पड़ती थी, न जाने कितनी बार बाजार जाना पड़ता था तब जाके कैसेट मिलती थी. Okay, so basically all of us, these teachers are born in this technology. हाँ, वो like तो मैं तो बॉम्बे से लाइट का प्रॉब्लम नहीं रहा. So I mean this is something surprising for me because many of the people say that लाइट जाती मैंने कभी लाइट गई भी देखी नहीं है. हाँ, बाढ़ आई थी तो तुम गए थे तभी अलग बात थी. Okay, but maybe it's a common thing out there. So we are talking about 6, 7, 8 as those areas where this new skills are going to come in. Now here you have to understand this is a very important aspect of our entire program. Why? Because ये वो 3 grades हैं जो आपके program की progress को define करेगा. Okay, whatever I teach in 1st to 5, even if you don't go with my program, you can go with any other program and do that. I cannot position my program saying that मेरे program में कोई बहुत extraordinary चीज़ है जो आपको सिखानी पड़ेगी. Because at the end of the day, your teacher is going to train you. I am giving you the resources. For 1st to 5, I might be the resource person. But for 6, 7, 10, I will have to become the mentor. Okay? So let's say for example, अगर आप ये डिसाइड करते हो मुझे 8th स्टैंडर्ड के बच्चों को let's say एक स्पेसक्राफ्ट बनाना है. At this moment, if I give you this task of telling your children to make a spacecraft, how many of you can do that? Even if you are in extraordinary school or you have a lot of resources, you will definitely struggle with how to train those kids. You need SMEs out there. You need subject matter experts. Okay? What we have done is, we went ahead with one of the schools, which is SRM, where we have explored this process. The children have made a satellite. They have went to Australia. There they launched those satellites.
Great.
Throughout the process, we were mentoring the entire. We were not there, but we were going on with them. So we did it as a capstone project. So for 8, 9, 10, you have to be ready for those grades. That's why these grades become very important. We are successfully able to teach students areas of graphics design. They are ready and very quite compatible of making their own apps. They can definitely work very strongly in 3D and design areas. In these segments, we have introduced programs like woodworking, we have digital fabrication, and we have much more than that. So I will actually take you to the 9th and 10th and 11th and 12th.